We've got some Alabama humidity out
we
there
sure
this morning.
do.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really muggy out there. We now have a dense fog advisory, and this is going to be in effect until 10 o'clock this morning, Bruce and Julia. There you go. Basically, all of our viewing area, folks, except Peru and Marion. But everything south of that now under this dense fog advisory, that would include the entire metro area. And you know what we don't have right now is rain, but there is rain to our north. This is a look at Doppler 13. You can see that shower and thunderstorm complex starting to get closer to Chicago. That'll get here later today. But let's talk fog, because I think that's what most of you are going to be concerned about on your drive to work this morning. These fog visibility readings are really all over the place. One that is constant is Lafayette, basically under a mile, Bloomington at about a half mile, but everybody else seeing fog. And this situation certainly is going to get worse before it gets better. In fact, already now a little bit of very light fog at Obelisk Square out in front of the World War Memorial this morning. Currently 68. The visibility at Indianapolis International is 4 miles. If we can keep that, we're basically okay. But I think that the visibility, especially once the sun comes up, may actually be worse. But the fog will burn off. We'll see some late day thunderstorms, and 87 will be our high later on today. All right, let's talk about this morning rush and the fog that's going to be around. By 6 a.m., 67. Now, we should be in the mid-70s by 10 a.m., but it's going to feel very, very humid out there during the course of the day today. Now, thunderstorms will come in late today and tonight. So for the Indians game against Louisville, we're your official weather source of the tribe, expect some scattered thunderstorms here in the metro tonight. Right now, a very muggy 68 in Indy, 66 in Bloomington. Marion, you're at 62, and Muncie's at 66. And, of course, most of you are dealing with some fog. Here's the slight risk of severe weather. This is for all of our viewing area. This is for later today. The reason is because as these thunderstorms start to come in later today, we can have some locally heavy downpours of rain. You know, rain amounts could be all over the place depending on who gets what. But let's take you into the afternoon. 1 o'clock, we're still fine. Kids come home from school. If they're coming home around 3, I'm not expecting thunderstorms at that time. But throughout the afternoon and evening, these patchy showers and thunderstorms are possible, and they could be strong at times. So keep that in mind. Any thunderstorm that comes in could have very vivid lightning, high winds, and also heavy downpours of rain. Wednesday, we're going to see the exact same thing with this stuff popping up. Let's go the 80s today with fog, sun, and clouds, and some late-day thunderstorms. To be precise, 87, 56 tonight, and then 87 on Wednesday. Thursday, 88, Friday, 86. We have a daily chance of thunderstorms through Saturday. We will have much more on this, but remember, dense fog advisory this morning, and I'll break this down even more for you in just a bit.
All right, very good. Thanks, Chuck.